Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines designed for convenience and efficiency. Today, we will explore the features of the portable mini washing machine and the portable washing machine, both boasting a 16L capacity and foldable designs. These machines are ideal for anyone living in small spaces, such as apartments, or for those who frequently travel. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one might be the best fit for your laundry needs. Both the portable mini washing machine and the portable washing machine feature a compact and foldable design, making them perfect for small spaces. The portable mini washing machine is designed with a sleek purple and white color scheme, while the portable washing machine showcases a modern look with a vibrant green and white finish. Their foldable features allow for easy storage, making them ideal for travel or limited living spaces. Both machines come equipped with 3 distinct cleaning modes, allowing users to choose the best setting for their laundry needs. Whether it's a quick wash for delicate items or a more thorough clean for heavier fabrics, these portable washers have you covered. The versatility in cleaning modes makes them suitable for a variety of small clothing items, enhancing their usability in everyday life. Both the portable mini washing machine and the portable washing machine are priced at an affordable $79. This competitive pricing makes them accessible options for those looking for a portable laundry solution without breaking the bank. Given their features and capabilities, both products offer great value for money. In conclusion, both the portable mini washing machine and the portable washing machine offer excellent features for anyone in need of a compact laundry solution. With their foldable designs, multiple cleaning modes, and affordable pricing, they cater to a variety of laundry needs. We hope this comparison helped you in deciding which portable washing machine is the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.